Sonata is a looker all around. Contrasted with a year ago's frump show, the 2018 Hyundai Sonata is essentially a supermodel. Contrasted with a supermodel, it's only a superior tiered four-entryway all around. We like the progressions, which make it all the more a head-turner than previously. It's a 7 out of 10 to our eyes. The 2018 Sonata keeps a year ago's profile, yet changes its subtle elements. A more suggestive front belt brags an adapted rendition of the hexagonal grille scene on the vast majority of Hyundai's most up-to-date models. A cleaner watch-out back tucks the tag low on the back guard and underlines this present car's particular long-rooftop, hatchback-like profile. It's a major change over a year ago's introvert, which felt gracelessly frump with its hot rooftop line inconsistent with its dull front and back belts. Inside, the progressions are light. Hyundai didn't migrate the Sonata's infotainment screen. 7.0 crawls in many models, 8.0 creeps with roof. Rather, a silver complement ring that was beforehand around the focal air vents presently flaunts the screen. It's an unpretentious push to feature innovation that automakers once attempted to keep to some degree covered up. In spite of the fact that the Sonata's inside is appealing and strong, with catches gathered together and a lot of repetitive switches, it's not especially intriguing. In addition, it's solitary, accessible in rather unsuitable beige, dark, and dark shades. A warm dark colored would help. All trims are very much prepared, and this year Hyundai has altogether cut the cost of its range topping, limited by erasing a some time ago standard all-encompassing moonroof for a littler, customary moonroof, and by dropping warm back seats. We question excessively numerous purchasers will miss those highlights, yet they'll most likely value the high esteem SEL. Planned to be the most famous Sonata, it's estimated forcefully with alluring highlights, for example, a power driver's seat, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto incorporation, and discretionary programmed crisis braking.